Not in my hell neighborhood, boy. Give them hell! Fossata 360, boy! Oh yeah. This blue sword, it's a special Craysaybos sword. Dragon teleport one over there. Dragon teleport Craysaybos. Blue Suvu Orvor sword. To the right Sagite. Sea Realm. Up. And there's one right there. Dragon teleport Blue Sugu. Dragon knife Blue Sugu. This is a special blue Craysaybos. You know how they say you can't kill Craysaybos? This sword deploy can kill Craysaybos. And look what's coming out the car. Dragon teleport Blue Sugu. Where are they? To the right Sagite Sea Realm. Where the fuck am I? You can't be stuck in a scary ass place like this. Dragon take Black Mass. Everyone comes back and there's one right there. Dragon teleport Blue Susagu. Where is he? Fly by side teleport Blue Susagu. Damn it, you're in a mask. It's not even Halloween. He's not a Craysaybos. It says Blue Sugu swords deploy, stand down. You want these swords, but you have to buy. Like you can put them in your body. If they melt, you'll die. A B3 can handle it, probably. Give them hell, boys. Now there's one in the back. Whenever you're stranded off into the island, just take the magical restraints. I'll tell you how to make this for safety. Dragon nine-tailed fox cube. Nine-tailed fox is in the wall. Watch him go through the door. Watch the scary thing go through the door. And the nine-tailed fox sees it. You want a nine-tailed fox protect this wall. Hit it with the nine-tailed fox. And you want to protect that wall. You want to Craysaybos kill. Every time you go somewhere in the neighborhood and this place transports, this house only, it makes a magic katan double. You black mass, you take off the restraints. See, they'll turn witch when you take off the restraints. And when you take off the restraints for this makes this safety house. Throw up a Fisher Price. These guys don't Fisher Price nice. Dragon teleport Craysaybos Blue Vusu Orvor sword to the left right C. I don't know what them boys are doing here. They didn't pay for rent. Scary Annabelles. Now I'll go back here, which is even scarier in the town. You see something going right there. That's why it's so damn scary out here at night, because they don't replace the lights. And you see that blinkage. And you see that blinkage there. I'm the only light that made it in the hurricane. Because me and Eric worship the sun. That was pretty pimp. That was Eric when Eric was getting along. But we found out the real Eric E was Bieber's cousin. Justin Bieber's cousin. We're getting along smooth. We were here for the hurricane. Dragon teleport Craysaybos, Blue Gusu, Orvor sword. To the right Sagabos, Sea Realm. Up. No switch return. So we're getting along just fine. And he just wanted to kill honest one Kim K2 that killed Kim K1. And fought into her all the time. And then all of a sudden, he just rampaged with systems. He got killed by one of his wraiths. Those are from hell. You can't touch them. All Kim K wraiths will cut off our cocks. I've been stabbed and killed by one of them wraiths before. I'm telling you like it is. You can't touch anything from hell. You can't touch anything from hell. You have to be holy sanctimized. I might as well throw some holy water down tonight. There's one in there. Dragon teleport, Bugu Vusu, Dragon zoom, Guvusu. Orvorsor. To the left, Catan down. No switch, Ratan Sagan. And he sucks up in the sword like a Craysaybos. I hate that these scary things want my power. I hate it so bad. There's one more left. Now are we in the clear? One final left. Fly thy shy, Shizhan, Sazan, rip out head, rip off head, Kameyame, Tameya. They're in the Azerath. Azerath, go. Shun, lightning eyes, shave, ray says, turn the bug to Zaparon, lightning eyes gone. Azerath, Kameyame, Tameya. Fly thy side heaven, Kameyame, Tameya. Craysaybos knife. Orvorsor sword. West wing. No, kitty, you cannot come outside. You see how freaky it is. It's like a circus clown show. It's like a circus freak clown show, dude. This is why all my women wish they had Big Dick Justin. And the women get you in trouble. But if they had Big Dick Justin, they'd never be afraid. Is my job done here? One more. My job is never done. Where's my original cat? Sword deploy. That one was freaky. Orvorsor sword, where's he at? The left Craysaybos. He's getting out. Left Craysaybos go. Up. Now is my job done? You can only get to the Azerath with your Justin Arrieta clones. And you'd want to send your Justin Arrieta clone or your Justin Arrieta super robot. You can only get there one way and one way only. The transport bug zapper.